This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Zotero desktop and browser connector are active. This is essential because the connector grabs metadata directly. Once done, open the article page, PDF landing page, or DOI link you want to add. Click the connector icon in your browser toolbar. It detects the item type and offers a one-click save. You'll see a small dialog. Choose a destination collection, add tags if helpful, and hit save so Zotero stores the reference and any available PDF. Once the item appears in Zotero, move it to the correct collection so your library stays organized. You should inspect the right pane, correct author names, dates, and journal fields if the connector missed details. Add tags and a quick note to make retrieval easier later. If Zotero didn't grab the PDF, drag the file onto the item or use attach file. Also create a snapshot of the web page when you want an archived copy. That keeps context, even if the online source disappears. To finish, click the sync button so your additions appear across devices and on Zotero. This also backs up files. When writing, use the Word or Google Docs plugin to insert citations and generate a bibliography automatically. If the connector saved incomplete metadata, use Add Item by Identifier with a DOI or ISBN to fetch correct fields, or manually edit the record for accuracy. If a PDF fails to attach, check file permissions and re-download. Make sure browser connector permissions are enabled and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.